Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to enter credit card charges in QuickBooks Online. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and go to the main dashboard. Click the plus new button on the left side of the screen. Under the vendor section, select credit card expense or credit card depending on what you're recording. Choose the credit card account you used for the purchase. Then fill in the details like payee, date, and payment category. Enter the amount of the charge and add a short description so it's easy to track later. If the charge includes multiple categories, you can split it into separate line items. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close or Save and New to record another transaction. QuickBooks will automatically update your account balance and reports. And that's how to enter credit card charges in QuickBooks quickly and accurately in 2025.